Apple Intelligence and Galaxy AI, two of the biggest AI innovations of 2025. Which one is smarter? Let's compare. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. Apple's Apple Intelligence is deeply woven into the iPhone 16, emphasizing user privacy and seamless ecosystem integration. In contrast, Samsung's Galaxy AI and the Galaxy S25 focuses on enhancing daily productivity and communication. On the iPhone 16, Apple Intelligence offers an upgraded Siri with advanced context awareness, AI-driven writing tools for emails and messages, and Genmoji, personalized emojis crafted just for you. Additionally, it provides powerful photo editing capabilities, allowing object removal and image enhancements, all processed securely on device. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25's Galaxy AI introduces Live Translate, enabling real-time translations during calls, a boon for global communication. The Now Bar and Now Brief features offer personalized content and notifications, streamlining your daily interactions. Apple emphasizes privacy with on-device AI processing, ensuring your data remains secure. Samsung combines on-device and cloud-based AI, leveraging partnerships to enhance features. Though this approach may raise privacy considerations for some users, Apple Intelligence is exclusive to the iPhone 16 series, ensuring optimized performance across these devices. Galaxy AI properly debuts with the Galaxy S25 series in One UI 7. Both Apple and Samsung are pushing the boundaries of smartphone AI. Which aligns better with your needs, Apple's privacy-centric intelligence or Samsung's productivity-focused AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech fun.